I don't want to trivialize marriage and birth of children, but when you're unable to work, you have no hope for income, you can't get the medical treatments you need. This day is super important. And I think it's important that people understand there are right and wrong ways to do hearings.
Yep.
There are good ways to testify and bad ways to testify. There are routes that get you to a favorable decision, like we talked about before, and there are routes that end up with an unfavorable decision and a lot of pain and anxiety. So let's get into talking about hearings. One of the things that I think is important is if you start at this, let's just start at the beginning of a hearing. There's a lot of these mundane questions. They seem to be throwaway questions, but yet people often struggle with them. They're not prepared for them. Talk about, so what's the introduction component of a hearing like for the client? What types of things are they testifying? What are some things they need to know to make sure they don't sort of miss the softball they're getting tossed there at the beginning of the hearing?